Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Hi, good morning, people. How are they? How's everybody doing? Just a quick message. Now you will get attention. Lara, sir. Oh, sir. Ewu wo ibe awete. Tema soluwe. Anybody run on soluwe. I saw no. Soluwe ke for what? Hey, what soluwe? Oh, honwe aje were. Even with social media. After now, remember, boy, you are suffering from dementia. Maybe we come such huge evil. Evil, anybody might be come to social media. Who will open now? Again, now, you gather no Russian, no rebellion. Understand? Evil, who with social media now, or who will come it. When you can't tell you, evil who will. Or supersede mi ya fefefe ni wani bu ire with social media ogwe orise wawe Monica odu ki dani understand so what a life na ye na so aswagi le ye begwe and then we call it why is a picture ni dey igbe we call the platform Monica re o come no lawo egbe fa we me ti we ra aka ni o we ra aka ni adom scholarship ni we when Daddy Joe high ni adom award ni amemedo nuwe na do ya wo na wese was there ye ni ke picture ge oviedo when we God do surface in social media o we ra ase ana da a video we ya gwa a platform nu kam ya lawe gbo oho na nu ntana no rebejon nu kam ya lawe gbe you are an evil from the pit of evil, pit of the devil and the pit of letter. We kill at yawo. So I know. I go have to wait and solu we. No boy wine. No ma no ma commit any evil with social media. Or ya meti la where. You know na you near isu ni meba or near teme meba or where no gbelu le semi like social media na o wo ya do tabo wan solu we I solo we o honu we awe na je were no jonti ma me video no we ya di gwe social media aje gwe no ayin bia nu ni ke picture ge latia ira no we gi latia no de temi e ke no bia ni na offend we personally ahia je were. It can be 3 years. I mean, 3 years time. Oh, the do so. Must say maybe 3 years time. A boy will win in social media. No here pataki. And when I go and I no work here, I have where I come out see. Mommy, we I won't wear to large. I won't wear Latiana. You want to start calling kettle black? When they pot, we have to ask kettle or black. All zen we do we mia. I saw we Maladian. Good morning, everyone. I saw we Maladian. You didn't come out to start the new way try. No way do call it kettle black. A problem mirror I be go where Ladian do have mevo. Go be I say came back. We do ya dollar even we na lie. Na lie. And when I social media now, it would never hold. Unless I in a video where I go come, we are not picture where a role where play. Ne picture you will come out and apologize to that man. Where you are apologizing for the role that you played. role we play, but we do apologize no nya picture ni. Aga in a video where I we cover social live video. Ofo we make you we come on nya picture. Ye role we play for role we play we are in this any picture we are latia. Ma understand? So you know really wonu la jan na me ke degbe me ke ya. Ohono all you fire brother no rusen ama we. Ama we ko se ni kaka de ma koku we se ti akoku we se. They too we me bi wo vie do my o vie boko haram we hi wo. E to vie do we hi. Anything wo ma la jo cha gbera gbeje. Nu be ja be we ni ma ni bi be ja. E ka picture. E ku we yi wa mu. Una ri egbe yo gidigba. E video we are we ka un wa ya plan e yaro. Uwe go daughter we uwe to ri camera luvu uvu ke na sisan ji ne bo ti e kiyo we ri go daughter we ya mo picture e dere. Eriata Ivo gen or rebejo we brigada no busen. Eriata me we are already to onwe aga mu we social media na you are a liar. Cause Ivo we hin we commit Ivo even we commit the social media na we might so wave live video we so commit Ivo on the ground. We so ria we do so you we masu on the ground you have been doing that. A platform we na mujogwa on we give you that same asam we na a platform we na mujogwa o ga ni name no me be go ye regwa don wa gbon we kele hin e wa make e go dan we hin e wa make wa o mo don hu don wa si we hin o ma si we hin when you react anything anybody did time period you know okay kin we ya gbegbe cause you wa we la ahiwa okay kin we ya gbegbe awon we do fe bo we ma mo topic go pia ni o gba ni ke ya mi no me we gwa we am ti e fe bo e jo gu wan be be no do ndo ya fe bo social media we ma mo topic go pia ni ko na mo jogwa we am ti ya fe bo don't waste we he we let me no me no anything anybody did tell ya gbegbe we video ropa ya wu we wa ya wa la oh anybody no offend on we do like we do ya in egwa no on his behalf I see your platform in here where una call a presenter can you were trying to save your head uma pa enva I contribute to your platform una contribute to oh girl isakareva isakobega we momo ya ke gbe well you do am gbogbo keke plan re o ma yo gani mo wa wala do ki an bana o ma yo la re we na we no ma ga e no ma die eni ari popo o go sun o na mu social media a platform we na mu yo wa o bia ni ye re Nigeria we ka ya mu a video nu ya tie bo o gba mi a walk up my ball or you hate your bonnie your way and mama no rebejon umiamia oh in Nigeria o where the way my way was supported and my way to avie man here the bomb anything about any time period in and the way they have humiliation piani we want your keken we like we uya egbe wala wo wa forgive wala wo egwa uheha uwiso kama laje the way video no ya nenemi nyo nenemi omo don you are a very terrible animal we are human being unika ta so we do o wa do yin ni nse e wa no wa kere man o viedo no support Ivo when are any picture viedo latin mayo yoro workers one body workers one bola social media is here any dia do you talk about social media e mama no rebejo du kai atie boni 2008 mia o we re ke ba okun we che igbe aja oni we de do chi we the same thing ya una ya de ba ilala una we de no okun una we de ari do go una re so workers one ni vie do you talk about social media awe ohun down wo gbera ngbiri wo hohe wo dia eja wa we area polluter we pollute area you are the one destroying them you are the one saying chu everywhere. Can you imagine for you to open your mouth and confess who we car where God don't when I'm with camera luvu we can resign give who eruyata the video told o wana resign ye can evu na resign you na be a picture nika picture una when ye gbejo uwe je the way of it we here give here wa na je we te ma solo wa solo we eni meta lo si me ba we we eni me wa kele si na oguna no rebejo again na me ba we we yo bigada no rusen o da ti anya e ken me na se ba wo do ta eni me yi tasin me wa ta ikele si ni we ma di uvo o do ta ma wo ha mi gbe no re bebo gun me o do wu ma ba bo wo na wo ko no ba we obo we na nwa e ma na ye ni we go una la je we ma solo you are right obo we ma nwa udu oze no bu gbene kate ni ke we na we come we from we play we get ma think be direct inwunere o mu we anwunere o mu boya obu nya inwunere we de gbesu o be ni ma make no na wrong we direct. Why we don't have any direct issue with that man. In winner we show. Ma understand. So therefore, who we are you work social media no piani, who ya apologize ne, a role we play what we here apologize. Cause why ya buni view show. Why how we record you a picture we go. We imagine we work in a picture career. All go do tell oh how we the naked picture go go get anya cause a video we na you work confessing or talk. When you know where waka or what I hope when I get another better no listen. Man understand? If you don't when you know where car as one swallow with there you when my will ask you when the water press where they found you out here now. I knew where I target. I'm gonna make you don't where you work home. Where you apologize no. No, we are not picture ni. I target where Babu Zabo believe me no rest social media no really any picture we ni action anyway here target na whatever you know we man and we am when yes larger social media wa be wa ho e la ro ko na nu zan la re I worry any picture we do la dan there where we video ya you kon ya apologize no bia na road we play we apologize ne I in a video ni where you ga gwan ga where open wa see back only to you because my no ko ni agbawo ni Ghana I don't know where la je yan we agbawo ko ni ge dey don worry double eri owo na ija o tapa mu wifi you can dey no your way time in video ni yebewu o we no pa wifi wu o wa mama sagbe eri e ko ni better so therefore you can you when a pot we here take work with only a message na the enu we na onye na wo kwe social media efo e ma wa ro no wa asu were be ni I wait out the ona isaga ona be ezo o so lo ba no mo kwe so kiare ni ma e me presenter ya ma witi adwale so we so el ona ezo o honu wewu aje were da wo ho e human ni tara be a wo hore o be hu ogbon won ya ga na no re bejo be bra no rusen imi aha mbwenya anybody on pa mu we say that when really we saga e ma solo no this no a matter of solo nobody the solo you now the evil way you do now people they talk if you say na lie the lie for you say you no do one go call your mama no road to ayela la be go bring ayela la people kona wait till you sabi because no sabi once you don't talk like finish so don't go meet your mama me go carry ayela papa ayela la people they give people. Now your mouth the people they talk all life for social media. Then you go meet your mama. I'm gonna better. What you done on social media? Lay ya coach. Nickel picture. And I will like open up. We are now way. I know what way. So wrong we play. We all go hand down. Who do you go come apologize no piano? Apologize for your wrong. We play the nickel picture ni. So when I mention the larger, do have me ma o ma be the new you pop when I who was you ko like social media na 2018 we la nupo. Waka wa mu a video bo like social media so e mama no rebejo ni ya te bo na ni ama so ni we yo. But when me ko we yes what ye bo ni. Waka wa so e me dan no social media. So ebe hear me to have my one the new one pop have done it. Utakamu whatever. Ira. Ere ziba. We maziba. We don't need suma de nike picture of malade. We maziba. Uziba. So mama me video where ya jigwe. So like you apologize no be for a role we play. Well, okay, can we apologize? We are over here. We can apologize no be. Every little time we are where anywhere target about evil people in the social media. Not release any picture of your judging. Understand? We are the one of the abomination one watch a woo going to normal social media. No go by rest in peace yourself. I may tell you where my not do sorry. I mean, no big okay. Any picture. Ha! The social media. I had to say they get on. Say they get on. The social media. Oh man, bomba. Ah, when the original one mu get again. No more trailer. No more to no more marwa head. No more €37,000. Yeah, again, ragbona. Yeah, social media like people. What you did was evil. You need to apologize to them. Publicly. If you can call it a live stream to make it glory. Who are these any picture? Yeah, we have to watch it. Okay, cool. Like the same social media. Who apologize for the role you played. A role we play for. Can you apologize? Don't. Even if you go or by move. Where people cause move. That is your personal life. Am I being so dumb? Even we are remind we uwa mugwo oja agbe no manu ga the ticket of here we marriage in Nigeria oja agbe no manu ga the ticket of here be in the social media here they no come boy a personal life we ni only ma kan me no ho no yu mu ti social media we no ya afisi alachis imagi ohun me ma be la ma na the ko ji even we be social media ajuwere na not personal in my way don't mind your evil will do a social media in Miami ajuwere or funny matters so have to apologize everyone will play when you picture no can apologize no biani so American will like the way do ahamo in my way where edion na ma edion na le look bobo edion you have done the same thing if I work with Jose ni picture we somebody Latin or you could worse say understand so honey Maria do so here what the say you had the amaya salad boy you red way salad wa made it way you may wrong way your parents on social media also pass any picture of one very like social media what you did was evil how now one apologize in public with social media so that you got one out here she don't apologize now she don't and then me give man you with a video so company you azere was saying it was too much that height of evil mind na ya dey nike picture go malaja no good way I don't want him with me personally that was the height of it you need to apologize to that man okay